Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 37th session, and in this next two lectures we are going to take a look at two great features that are going to help streamline your efforts as you are applying formatting inside of Microsoft Excel. Now, this first feature that I'm going to show up here is actually not just a specific Excel feature, but the same feature will work inside a Word, PowerPoint, Visio if you work with Microsoft Visio and other Microsoft Office applications. This feature is called the Format Painter. Now, the purpose of the Format Painter is essentially a copy and paste operation, but the formatting only. So take a look. So my first step, here's the scenario. I'm going to format cell B12 right at the mean text. Now I'm going to format it and I'm going to go through a series of steps. I'm going to do things like change the font, change the background color, change the font size, change style. So I'm going to go through the several processes, several steps. Now I decide later on that, oh, you know what, I really like that, so I want to apply that same formatting to another area on the same worksheet or even another worksheet within the workbook. So here's the Format Painter. So first step, I'm going to go to cell B12. With that cell selected, I'm now going to format it, and you decide what you want to do here. I'm going to make it bold, so I'll click here, and then I'm going to use a background color. So maybe I want to use green, and I want to change the font color as white, and I'm going to right align the text. So this is how it looks like. Looks pretty good, right? Now that was 4 5 steps that I just went through to apply the formatting on that cell. Right now it's looking like this. Now you decide I want to use the same formatting on let's say count, right? So with B12 selected, the cell that I want to copy the formatting from, I'm going to go to the home tab, and underneath the clipboard section I will have the Format Painter. So this is the icon for the Format Painter. So I'm going to give it a single click. So hey, there's actually two operations like you do here. A single click allows me to use the Format Painter once, but if I double click, click on the Format Painter, it will remain active until I either click on the Format Painter again or I hit the escape key on my keyboard. Very cool, right? So I mean, I could click it once. So let me click it once, and if you see here, my cursor now has the little paintbrush attached to it, right? You see it, and it's got a little copy marking around B12, right? So I'm going to click on count, and it's done. Those 4 or 5 steps that I applied to B12, I have now copied the another location. Very cool, right? This way I don't have to remember that what I have done in the previous cell to do the formatting. Just one click and the format is copied. You don't have to really remember that what color did I choose or what font size did I use or what font that I use, right? It's just copy paste the formatting. Now let's try this once again. I go back to B12. I'm going to give that Format Painter now a double click. Click, right? Now got that little paintbrush on there, but now it's gonna remain active. Click on max, click on average, and I can use it over and over again even on other worksheet, right? Either click on the Format Painter option again, or I hit the escape key on my keyboard. You see the little paintbrush is there, still there. So let's say I click on number 5 here, that is F15, and it's still active, right? I'll hit the escape key and now it's turned off. You see that paintbrush is gone. Format Painter is no longer active. Very cool. Save you lots of time, and remember, reuse the formatting that you are already applied, right? Even think of this: you receive a document from a coworker, and oh, I really like that formatting that they applied inside the Excel document. I want to use the same formatting. Well, rather than digging through the tools and trying to figure out what did they use, right? What font, what color, and so on. Format Painter, you'll love it. Save you lots of time, and double click keeps it active. Alright then, try it out and then we'll meet up in the next session. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.